Something I could do.
Hey, how you guys doing? Yes, I'm coming to you crusty on this fine Friday night. It is actually what, 17 minutes past 10 in the evening, and I am packing. I started packing for my trip to France. So I'm going to France for the holidays. Really excited about that because I haven't been in ages, and I might most probably be vlogging some of the things I will be doing, not everything, because I don't want to be that annoying person like at the family gathering, like with the vlog and everything. And I do want to show some of the things I'll be, you know, getting up to going back to France. Listen, I have I've gotten like a ton of, what are they? Let me take you with me. Okay, we're going to the beauty room because, yeah, super bright. I hope, wait, let me readjust this. This is, one sec. There you go. I think this should be better. Anyway, I'm trying to get, it's a mess. It is a mess in here. Like, it's crazy. Like, I have so much to do. But, okay, so I got a ton of lactates because I'm lactose intolerant actually. So pretty much stocked up on those, stocked up on a couple of other things as well. Period pads. Listen, I tried the cup, and part one of this vlog thingy, I don't know, I don't want to make them super long vlogs either, so maybe like short little vlogs here and there. Part one, I'm just gonna be sharing with you my process of packing. So I don't want to forget anything, and I'm a very forgetful person, so I have a huge list on my phone in like my notes app, and it's all in like categories that I just can like tick off one after the other, and anytime I think of something I add it to the list just in case. So the first category is skincare, second category is personal care, so like deodorant, stuff like that. In-flight packing, you know, passport, battery banks, tech, international adapter, you know what I'm talking about. So this one is really cool because it has all the ones you need. So there's that on my list. I don't know if I'll go into details of everything, but I'll take you, you know, with me. Then there's the makeup. I just listed all the steps I do to doing my makeup, and I actually have like a makeup carrying case. We're gonna get to that when I'm putting away the makeup. And then outfits, so I kind of like categorize them as well, and I'll show you, like you'll see me taking out the stuff and looking at my list. So PJs, bras, panties, the amount of everything, belts, leggings, jeans, just taking note of my usual habits of what I wear. And also it's, you know, gonna be the holidays, taking into account maybe things I might buy. So one of the things I might buy might be like heeled booties, like the small boots, a little heeled. So yeah, tech stuff, all that. So one of the first things I actually kind of do is just do laundry in general, so I can really have an idea of all of the clothes I have, and that way I'm not, you know, I'm not missing out anything. So loads of laundry to do. Tomorrow after the photo shoot, I'm actually heading to the airport to go get tested for COVID, because now to enter France you need to be PCR tested, and that's like 48 hours before departure. Like it has something along those lines. Anyway, doing that tomorrow, and most probably gonna be cleaning tomorrow evening as well. And yeah, so yeah, let me just take you along with me. I feel like yeah, baby girl, you wanna go out? I feel like Layla knows something is happening. when it comes to the settings in this vlog. I'm still trying to figure everything out. I usually shoot in manual, but like that's what I was shooting on earlier, and I obviously haven't seen it in post-production, so I might regret doing this choice. But anyway, we're done folding all the clothes. I still have like underwears and stuff like that that I need to get in there, but I have a list, so it's not like I'm gonna forget. But here is my set of luggage, so I'm allowed to carry on. And I actually really love the color of this. I don't know if you can really see it in the lighting, but it's like kind of like an aubergine color. So normally there's actually like an even bigger luggage on top of this, but this carries 23 kilos, which is what I'm allowed, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And we all love a matching set, don't we? And I really like that it has like the padlock already like inserted in it, so it's one of those that is completely like 360 rolling. I'll be putting, sorry Layla for scaring you, I'll be putting all the details in the description box. Kind of goes with my watch actually. Anyway, and it actually kind of expands as well, which is really nice. You see, can expand it over here. So it comes like this, which is like really cool because it has like 2 compartments, and here it's like zippable here, like to cover, like, so it's like really separate to its sides. Oh, look at Layla. Layla is curious. She's like, And the thing is, I wanted to make like my packing more efficient, just easier, and just all around practical and not messy. So I got myself this, which is like travel bags. Like, there you go. So I'll put everything in the description box. But yeah, basically these. So you have this size, something for your underwear, shoes, which is really handy. Another small baggie, so I imagine underwear, bras, stuff like that. You have another one of this size, small one. So I'm guessing in here I'll probably put like t-shirts or something. I'll just figure it out. It's really cool because like it comes with a zipper, and you have like little strappies, so everything is in place, strapped down. And so yeah, you have this extra case to put all of them in, so really practical. I'll see how efficient my packing is now that I have this. I still have to pack my skincare and my makeup. I think I'll do that tomorrow because I need to go to bed like ASAP. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna pop in the shower and go to sleep because I have to be up early tomorrow for the photo shoot. I'm excited. Listen, it is like 6 minutes past 10, night before my flight. Very excited. I have to do my check-in. Today was quite a busy day. Like, it actually started super early. I was at a photo shoot at 8:30 all the way up to like 11:10. After that, I went to get tested for COVID, the antigenic test before my flight tomorrow. Came back negative because, you know, I'm careful. Doubly vaccinated as well. So last night I actually normally I did a time lapse, and I watched it and it's like 2 seconds. So I'm just gonna show you where I'm at right now, what next it is I have to do. This is what everything is looking like. Over here you have like all my t-shirts and tops that I'm gonna be needing. Over here you have everything that's pajamas, sweatpants, and my belt. Over here I have my bottoms, dress, and jacket. Here I have my Adidas sneakers. Here I have all my sweaters. I have this bag that my boyfriend's mom got me, and there's like all my socks and underwears, and I have my bras in here. Like, I'm gonna take like 2 handbags with me, so one of them is gonna be like this one, which is my small everyday city bag. That's not like, it's big enough to like take everything I need, but not too big that it's like bulky. However, I'm gonna be going in with this bag. I like it because it has like so many pockets. Over here I have like my passport. Here I have like cleansing wipes and stuff like that, my wallet, sunglasses, and over here I have my Kindle to read. Here are some tech stuff that is actually going to go in this with my computer. Now what is left for me to do is my makeup bag and my skincare bag. I'll show you the process. I don't know if I'll show you everything because, or just like the end process, but yeah, let's do that.